Hi friends, welcome to this video. So this is the question asked in JE. In the following compounds, the decreasing order of basic strength will be. So these are the EBCD options, right? If you see the option, if you have read the chapter amines, if you have read the chapter amines in NCERT, you can easily solve this. So this is the direct question from NCERT, right? So there in the chapter amines, they will discuss about this basicity. So basicity, you know that nitrogen is having lone pairs because of which they are basic in nature. They can easily give this lone pairs to the acid H plus. So these are basic in nature, right? So the thing is, the basicity while talking, they talk about so many things, right? So they talk about this in aqueous phase, the basicity, the order in aqueous phase. They will talk. So they will talk like this. This is CH3, right? So CH3 and H, right? So this is secondary amine, right, in which methyl groups are attached. So this is secondary amine. Secondary amine will be highly basic compared to what primary amine. Primary means CH3 and here H and H. So this is secondary amine is basic than primary amine, then comes tertiary amine, then comes 0° amine. 0° amine means simple NH3. So this is the basic strength when CH3 group is there. CH3 group is there. Whereas in presence of ethyl, see here they have given C2H5. C2H5 means this one, CH2 CH3. Simply they will call it as C2H5 or ethyl group they will call. Right. So in ethyl the order is the basic strength. This is the order of water. Basic strength I am talking about, right? So in whenever I have ethyl, the basic strength order is like this N. So here instead of like this CH3 CH3H. So this is what this is secondary amine. No doubt it is more basic. Here in methyl primary amine was more basic than tertiary amine. But here in ethyl the tertiary amine will be more basic than the primary amine, right? Last comes 0° amine, no doubt, that is ammonia. So here the in presence of ethyl molecule, the secondary will be more basic than tertiary, tertiary will be more basic than primary, and primary is more basic than 0°. So this is the order where in ethyl molecule, that is nitrogen attached to ethyl, right? Whenever methyl is there, the order is secondary is more basic than primary, primary is more basic than tertiary, tertiary is more basic than 0°. So in NCERT they have explained all this on the basis of these factors. One is inductive effect, Plessa effect on methyl and ethyl. So they have explained on based on inductive effect, followed by steric hindrance. Third one, they have included this hydrogen bonding because it is in aqueous phase, right? So they have included hydrogen bonding. So all the from all these factors they came to know that secondary ethyl, that is ethyl group, secondary is more basic than tertiary, tertiary more basic than primary, primary more basic than 0°. Whereas when nitrogen attached to methyl, it is secondary, primary, then tertiary, then 0°. So just you have to interchange these two. If you interchange, you will get these things, right? So if you have remembered any one, so what I have done this one, nitrogen attached to methyl I have remembered. So the order is what? Always secondary is more basic than primary, primary is more basic than tertiary, tertiary is more basic than 0°. So in case of nitrogen attached to ethyl, just these two things will reverse because of Plessa effect, more Plessa effect of ethyl group. So the order is secondary is more than primary, sorry, then tertiary, then comes primary, last comes 0°. So this is how I have made the trick and I have remembered it. If it is helpful, you can also do the same thing. Thank you.